mate. That was smart. I'll give him. You gotta give him credit for that. Damn. That'll be an AT grenade. Oh wow, I'm down to 1 tank. Okay. Just down to my part. Slight problem, that. Oh Christ. Oh fucking hell, there is a plane. Give me my... Give me this back. No, he's... Is he gonna hit the floor? No, he's going right back up. What you doing, plane? Oh, my gun's just overheated. That's my fault. I'm just stupid, that's how that happened. What's he doing? No, keep the lock. Got him. Hit. Finish him off. Oh, come on. I just want to finish him off. He's really managing to dodge all of my shots. Wow. This is, not my proudest moment. Can we hit him with Sabo? No. Okay, well, I'm out of ammo. I'm just... Oh, I have an ammo box. Oh, fuck, wrong button. I didn't even know the Gepard had an ammo box. I mean, I'm certainly not complaining, I just didn't know it was an option.